do not short circuit, and the second one says do not open battery. Yes, we remove these straps. Then we go again. See, we have the straps off. So I will remove this terminal. So I unscrew this cable. So I remove this as well. Here. Oh, I'm removing this. So we begin. So flexible silicone wire on the end, and you can see here, this is the battery. So this is how it looks. You have the battery, you can see. So I'm getting this off this phone. I get it off. These ring terminals are rated for 60 amps, so 120 amps in total if you combine this connection. How many gauge? This is a 7 gauge cable. So if you look at this, the cells are lined on their side, and this is the balance lead, and this is the temperature sensor. So you have the temperature sensor stick to the side of the cell. Sticks to the side of the cell. We have one temperature sensor here, and also here you can see we just have the balance rod. No Bluetooth. Which type of BMS is inside? We have JBD. So we have the JBD ZZ ZP04S, that's for 4S, and you have 016TS, which means it supports series connection. Foams in between the cells, and the cells are being held together. So this is fiberglass tape on the side of it for compression. Yes. So here we go. These are 100 amp hour cells. These are shiny new cells. So here we start the scanning. So cell 1. Okay, so here we have cell 1, cell 2, unknown as well. We have cell 3, we have this, and we have cell 4. Okay, so this is the 4th cell, and you can see on the history we have the 4 of them. Okay, so on the history you have the 4 cell. Okay, and you can export the history. So cell 1, 3.31, 3.31, 3.31, and 3.31. So Here you have it. See, all the cell test the same voltage, which is a good sign. So I'll be connecting charger. See, 3.35, 3.35, 3.35, 3.35. Yes, the voltage is increasing. Let's see. 3.38, 3.38, 3.38. So we have the current reducing. So you have 3.41, 3.41, 3.41, 3.4. So it's still charging. And we have 3.44, 3.44, 3.44. Okay, 49, 3.5. So the battery was able to track to 3.5, which is good. 3.5, 3.52, 3.53, 3.52, 14.4 each cell, 3.6, 3.62, 3.59, 3.57, 3.6, 3.62, 3.59, 3.58, 3.6, total volt 14.4. So we have 3.61, 3.63, 3.6, 3.55. So it's still charging. 3.62, 3.65, 3.62, and 3.6. So the current is reducing. See, 3.65, 3.66. The total voltage 14.53. Cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4, and the total volt. Cell 2, cell 3, and cell 4. That's deviation of 6 millivolts.